Hi, I'm Peter Cuddy, City Councillor for Ward 3, and I bring greetings from the Mayor and City Council. You know, Fanshawe is a world leader, and OACETT is a proud partner of Fanshawes, and we're just grateful to be a part of that organization.
When I was reached out for OACETT and they said they want to take this bike and make it all electric, I thought it was pretty crazy, but I thought it was really awesome. So all of us at Team Vincent Motorsports are truly excited to be part of this. Being a Fanshawe graduate myself, coming back to the facility, seeing how the growth is, the technology and engineering in this building is incredible.
This project means a lot for Fanshawe College's Center for Research and Innovation. We spend a lot of time trying to find meaningful partnerships and collaborations with industry and industry associations. So having the opportunity to work with OACETT, to leverage their resources to help publicize their message, but also to demonstrate the innovation possibility at colleges is critical for us.
What is the intent of a college? And of course, it's about applying the practical aspect of engineering in this case. And I think Fanshawe is a great example. So for OACETT, I mean, this is a win-win. When you have an innovative CEO, you have a great team, and when you have a penetration in great colleges like Fanshawe, this is what happens. I think it shows what colleges can do. So OACETT and Fanshawe are working together as a pilot project, an R&D project, to take a trike and electrify it.
For us, our mission is always to get student ready for employment. So we do a good job of that foundational academic experience. But anytime you get to directly interact with industry, which is what OACETT means to me, that benefits us, it benefits industry, and it benefits the students enormously. We're looking to electrify the world, so the electrification of cutting-edge technology just means that that's where we exist. It's at that forefront of the conversation.
This is what it's all about with colleges. It's getting that ingenuity and actually applying it to something that's so exciting. Thank you, Fanshawe, and you know what? Thank you to the OACETT students and the faculty that's going to do this. We're super excited, but you don't have to believe me, believe them.